Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to change a text's font in your photo using Telegram. Adding stylish and unique fonts can make your photos stand out and convey your message effectively. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to a chat where you want to add text to your photo. Tap on the paperclip icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Step 3. In the attachment menu, select the option to pick a photo from your gallery. Choose the picture you want to add text to and tap on it. Once selected, tap on the brush icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. A bottom drawer will appear with various editing options. Tap on Text to access the text editing feature. Type in the words or message you want to add to your photo. Step 5. To change the font of your text, tap on the Reboto option. This will allow you to choose from a variety of font styles available in Telegram. Select the font that suits your photo and message. Step 6. After selecting the desired font, you can further edit the text's position, size, color, and other settings to enhance its appearance. Once you're satisfied with the text's look, tap on Done to apply the changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the font of the text in your photos using Telegram, adding a unique touch to your visual content. Thank you for watching, and have fun experimenting with different fonts in your Telegram photos.